so this is our 4 mallet democracy exercise. You're not doing 4 mallets. You're doing the you're doing a rhythmic exercise. So this is a really good exercise. I don't just say examine that, but we're going to learn the basic rhythms that we need to do just about everything in drumming, whether snare drumming, bass drumming, tenor drumming, pit, marimba, all that stuff. They all use this stuff. So we're going to start to work through these. So we have our basic motive, and that's this. So we do a check and variation. Check, variation. Check, variation. Check, variation. Check, variation. Check, variation. Check, tag. Okay. Our check is going to stay the same. The 16th notes always stay the same, but we're going to put a variation in there. So you see at the bottom we have an 8th note. So here's our check, variation, check, variation, check, variation, check, variation, nope, check, variation, check, variation, check, variation, check. That's hard to say. Okay, it's hard to say and play that, sorry. So our tag is going to have the variations on those stars as well. All the quarter notes are going to be a variation. So instead of playing a quarter note, you put in an 8th note or a 16th variation, something like that. Okay? Let me give you the next one. Check, variation, check, variation, check, variation. Okay? So you go through that. It's a pretty hard one, especially with the further you go into those variations. Like the 4th one is this. So you actually want to practice that before you do it. So this would be check, variation. And a tag. Alright? So they get into some of the hard ones. If you don't know how to play those, look them up, try to find them online. Just stuff's easy to find. But for the most part, we should know all of them, except for maybe the 5th one. That's 1E, 1E, 1E. Kind of like 1E and, but we just take out the and. Alright, so go through these, make sure you're doing with the metronome so you stay even, and then we'll be fine. Thank you much.